Jai Srimanarayana. 49th sloka of second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dure nahi avaram karma buddhi yogat dhananjaya buddhau शरणमन्विच्छ कृपणाः फलहेतवः Om. Actions performed with equanimity towards success or failure removes all the sufferings. Actions performed with motivated by rewards brings all the miseries. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, asking every one of us to surrender to him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a vow to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall perform my actions with an equanimity towards success or failure. O Srimanarayana, I shall not perform my actions with motivated by rewards. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to you. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Ambarisha, while taking care of his ruling the kingdom, he is performing all of his activities as a service to Sakshat Srimannarayana Sri Krishna Paramatma. He is dedicating all of his actions, activities to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that, according to Acharyas, Purohitas teachings, he is easily ruling the entire earth. And he is pleasing Srimannarayana, who is the master of all the yajnas, with Asvamedha yagas. And he is spending all of his Aishwaryam in order to perform yajnas and to give dakshinas. On the banks of Saraswati Nadi, with Vasishta Maharshi, Gautama Maharshi, with all of those great Ritviks, he is performing so many yajnas. In those yajnas, yasya kratushu girvanaihi sadasya ऋत्विजो जनाः तुल्यरूपाश्च अनिमिषाः विदृश्यन्त सुवाससः. In the yajnas what Ambarisha is performing, all the Ritviks, everybody will be glowing with so much of effulgence and they look like Sakshat Devatas. To that extent, everybody is happy and everyone is putting their efforts to make sure all the yajnas what Ambarisha is doing successfully completing. And in the kingdom, all the people also Shrunvadbhihi upagayadbhihi uttamashlokacheshtitam. Every day they used to enjoy listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma's miraculous activities and divine stories, and they spend their time in singing the glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that, people also enjoying their divine life and they are not even interested to go to Svargalokam. To that extent, they wanted to just live and happily enjoy in Ambarisha's kingdom only. So those who are engaged in Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine activities, engaged in singing and listening to Paramatma's Kalyana Gunas, for their happiness, even self-realization happiness also cannot be compared. Like that, all the people in Ambarisha's kingdom enjoying their life in divine way. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 49th sloka. Dure nahyavaram karma buddhi yoga dhananjaya buddhau saranamanvicha krupanah phalahetavaha. Dure nahyavaram karma buddhi yoga dhananjaya buddhau saranamanvicha krupanah phalahetavaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.